Hey, what's going on, boss? Sorry for the wait, bro. Nice to meet you, Wesley. And then you don't care if I record, bro?
No, you're
It's all good. All right, for sure. You want to do it on that one, right? The battery terminals. Let's pop the hood real quick. Fat ass.
This was about to squish.
One time I broke the terminals.
Hitting it too hard.
Yeah, it like went in. It was on.
Into the bed.
Yeah, it was my car though, at least. You have the key? Oh, we're good already. That's gonna fire up. Alright, I just got it, buddy.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you, bro. Have a good day.
Yep.